$12,000. That is what a full hybrid battery replacement can cost once labor and dealership markup are added. Most owners never expect to face that number before 200,000 miles, yet many packs start losing capacity far earlier. Warning lights appear, fuel economy drops, the engine runs more often than it used to. Something feels off. Hidden inside your vehicle sits a high-voltage battery made up of dozens, sometimes hundreds, of individual cells working together. When one section overheats, ages unevenly, or gets stressed repeatedly, the entire system suffers. Unlike a traditional 12-volt battery, this one is constantly charging and discharging while you drive. Every acceleration pulls energy out. Every brake event pushes energy back in. That cycling is normal. Abuse is not. 4 common habits quietly shorten its lifespan, and most drivers have no idea they are doing them. Heat is enemy number 1. Lithium-ion and nickel metal hydride cells both degrade faster at elevated temperatures. Chemical reactions speed up. Internal resistance rises. Capacity slowly fades. Park that car under the sun in summer with cabin temperatures climbing above 60 degrees Celsius, and the cooling system has to fight a losing battle. Behind your rear seats or under the trunk floor, a small cooling fan pulls cabin air across the pack to keep temperatures stable. Dust, pet hair, and debris clog the intake vents. Airflow drops. Hot spots develop. Cells age unevenly. First fix: protect it from heat. Seek shade whenever possible. Use a windshield sunshade. Crack the windows slightly if safe to do so. In extreme climates, consider tinted glass that blocks infrared radiation. Cooler surroundings reduce stress every single day. Second problem: letting the state of charge swing wildly. Hybrid systems are designed to operate within a safe range, usually between about 20 and 80%. Constantly forcing the system to the extreme low end by aggressive acceleration or to the top end during long downhill braking without modulation increases strain on the cells. Smooth driving matters more than most people realize. Gradual throttle inputs, steady cruising, and anticipating stops reduce deep charge and discharge events. That translates into fewer high-stress cycles over thousands of miles. Third issue: neglecting the cooling system itself. Many owners never inspect the battery cooling intake. On some models, it sits near the rear seat bolster. On others, it hides in the cargo area. When blocked, temperatures climb silently. No warning appears until degradation is already advanced. Cleaning that vent takes minutes. A vacuum, a soft brush, and occasional inspection keep airflow strong. During routine service, ask the technician to check the cooling fan and ducting. Preventive maintenance costs almost nothing compared to replacement. Fourth factor: long periods of inactivity. High-voltage packs do not enjoy sitting fully charged or fully depleted for months. Self-discharge continues slowly. Cell balance drifts. When finally driven again, stress increases as the system recalibrates. If the vehicle will sit for extended periods, drive it at least once every few weeks. Allow the hybrid system to cycle normally. Avoid parking it for months with a nearly empty traction pack. Beyond those 4 habits lies one more overlooked reality: software updates. Manufacturers occasionally release control module updates that adjust charging strategy, thermal management, and cell balancing algorithms. Skipping service appointments can mean missing improvements designed to extend lifespan. Modern hybrids are engineered to last, but longevity depends heavily on operating conditions. Imagine 2 identical cars. One lives in scorching heat, rarely cleaned, driven aggressively, and parked for months at a time. The other stays cool, receives regular airflow checks, and is driven smoothly. After 10 years, their battery health will look very different. Signs of early degradation often appear subtly. Reduced electric-only driving, engine kicking in more frequently, noticeable drop in fuel economy, dashboard warnings such as check hybrid system. Ignoring these signals allows imbalance to spread. Diagnosis does not always mean full replacement. Specialized shops can sometimes recondition packs by replacing weak modules and rebalancing the system. That option can cost a fraction of a complete new assembly. Early detection makes that route more viable. Driving habits shape long-term outcomes more than brand or model in many cases. Gentle inputs, thermal awareness, and basic maintenance form a simple strategy that protects one of the most expensive components in the vehicle. $12,000 becomes far less frightening when proactive care pushes failure far into the future. Hybrid technology is not fragile. Treat it with mechanical sympathy, manage heat, keep airflow clear, avoid extreme charge swings, and do not let it sit neglected. Do that, and the battery designed to last 200,000 miles might go even further.